hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial on these faux injection lips, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So we just finished making our little concoction using the olive oil and the cinnamon. And cinnamon has the ability to stimulate the blood flow right to your lips, and we all want those beautiful plumpy lips. So what we're gonna do is we're going to apply this concoction onto our lips, and we're going to do that 3 times. And we're gonna wait for it to dry before we apply our second and third layer. It's actually not a bad color, is it? And we're waiting. It is absolutely normal for you to feel some numbing or even some tingling. That's just the cinnamon. So don't worry about that. And now it's time to wipe this off. Okay, so you can almost instantly see that my lips look a little bit more plump and more bigger. They're definitely tingling, which is, again, is normal. So now we are going to fake our pout, and what I mean by that is the trend over here in many places actually is to have big pouty lips, and I'm just too chicken to do it. Really, it looks painful. You get, you know, pretty much bruised, and I don't like needles and all of this, you know, stuff. So this is why I thought, hey, there's got to be something I can do that gives myself that effect without the pain, right? So here we go. We shall give it a go. I'm using minimal. My thing is, you know, to be Insta-glamorous. Insta-glamorous is basically showing you ways to do things quickly, affordably, and also realistically. I mean, who's gonna sit there and do their makeup for 20 minutes? Yeah, that's realistic, but who's gonna do it for 30 minutes? My whole base here took me 10 minutes, and I'm gonna prove that to you the next time. But I just I thought of this, and let's see how it goes. I'd also like to give a big shout out to Jewelry by Leah. I'm wearing her beautiful tassel necklace in the red color and these beautiful earrings. So really enjoying my purchases, Leah, and keep on shining like the star you are. Thank you.